Year 5 and welcome to your Year 5 maths meeting. Now, you need something to write with and something to write on. So I'm going to give you a few seconds to get yourself ready and off we go. Okay, ready? Let's get started. So we are starting with Connie counts and we are adding 200 each time. So if you look, Connie starts with 18,200 and you need to add 200 each time. What I want you to focus on is the two arrows, what those specific numbers would be. Pause the video now and work out your answer. Okay, let's have a look. So, starting at 18,200, adding 200 each time, we should have had the following numbers. 18,400, 18,600, 18,800, 19,000, 19,200 and 19,400. That's going up in 200 each time. And the numbers we wanted to focus on with the arrows was 19,000 and 19,400. Okay, looking at Connie counts again, this time we are adding 50 each time. So our starting number is 215,430 and you need to add 50 each time. Again, I want to know the answers where the two red arrows are pointing. Pause the video now to write your answers. Okay, let's have a look. So, starting at 215,430 and adding 50 each time, we should have had 215,480, 215,530, 215,580, 215,630, 215,680, and lastly 215,730. Can we see any patterns there? I think I can see one. And the two numbers we wanted, the two red arrows, the numbers we were focusing on was 215,580 and 215,730. So going up in 50s. Okay, moving on to area. So we're looking at Ariana Grande. To remind you, area is the term used to define the amount of space taken up by a 2D shape or surface. And we measure area in square units, centimetre squared or metre squared. So here I have two shapes and I want you to work out the area for them. Pause the video now to work out your answer. Okay, let's see what we got. So for the first shape, we should have multiplied 4 by 10 and we've got 40 centimetres squared, as we know, counting our tens, 10, 20, 30, 40. And for the second shape, you should have done 3 times 6, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 centimetres squared. Very important, you add the centimetre squared to your answer or it will be incorrect. Okay, here's two more shapes. Please work out the area. Pause the video now to work out your answer. Okay, let's have a look. So you should have done 6 times 12. As we know, 6 times 10 is 60, and 6 times 2 is 12. 60 at 12 is 72 centimetres squared. And for 4 times 9, let's count in our fours. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. So you should have had 36 centimetres squared. Now we've moved on to formal Phyllis. So formal Phyllis has asked us 4,295 take away 1,182. So you need to work this out. Make sure you lay out your column subtraction carefully because if you don't lay it out in the right way, your answer can be wrong. Pause the video now to work out your answer. Okay, let's see what we got. So we know, easy peasy, 5 take away 2 equals 3, 9 take away 8 is 1, 2 take away 1 is 1, and 4 take away 1 is 3. The answer you should have got was 3,113. Now, Formal Phyllis has asked you, 7,503 take away 3,291. Make sure you lay it out correctly to work out your answer. Pause the video now. Okay, let's see what we got. So 3 take away 1, easy, is 2. 0 cannot take away 9, so I need to borrow and exchange. So 5 becomes 4, and I give 1 to 0, making that 10. 10 take away 9 is 1, 4 take away 2 is 2, 7 take away 3 is 4. So the answer you should have got was 4,212. Make sure you're showing you're crossing out and exchanging, as if you are not doing this, your answer will not be correct. Now, Formal Phyllis has moved on to column addition. She wants to know what 6,389 add 278 is. Make sure you lay it out correctly. Pause the video now and work out your answer. Okay, let's see what we got. So 9 add 8 is 17. So make sure you put the 1 under the next column. So we carry the 1. 8 add 7 is 15. Add the 1 is 16. We need to carry the 1 again. 3 add 2 is 5. Add the 1 is 6. And 6 add 0 is 6. The answer you should have got was 6,667. Make sure you're carrying your 1. Okay, now we are on to negative Nellies, and we are counting from -10 to 2. So start at -10 and make your way to 2 and find out what the difference is. That's what we're looking for, the difference between these numbers. Pause the video now. Okay, let's see what the difference is. So if we count from -10, -10, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's been 12 jumps. So the difference between -10 and 2 is 12. The difference is 12 between those two numbers. Now we need to see what we want to make -8 slightly more positive. So we're going to do -8 add 3. Pause the video now to work out your answer. Let's jump from -8, 1, 2, 3, and our answer is -5. Make sure your answer says -5, as if it just says 5, that answer is incorrect. We're still in the negative number section, so it is -5. Now you need to write 18 in Roman numerals. So use the chart I've provided for you and try and write the number 18. Pause the video now. Okay, let's see if we're correct. So 18 in Roman numerals is XVIII. If we look at the chart, X equals 10 and VIII equals 8. 10 add 8 equals 18. Now, a bit trickier, write 345 in Roman numerals. Use the chart to help you and pause the video now to write down your answer. Okay, let's see our answers. So 345 in Roman numerals is CCCXLV. If we have a look at the chart, C is 100, so we need to write C 3 times because it's 300. XL is 40, so we have 340, and I just need to add the 5, and V is 5. So 345 is CCCXLV. And that was your maths meeting, Year 5. Well done.